Hello everyone, and welcome to another Tuesday here at Kimbercreations with the IT guy. Thanks for stopping in. I don't know if you remember, but last week I talked about I can't wait to get my summertime pineapple clock up and ready. I did an introduction last week, and this week I'm going to do step number 1, which involves paint. And so let's hope that I don't get the creative area painted and get myself into trouble. So the instructions say paint the edges and sides of the MDF parts white. That's part number 1, and that's what we're going to try to accomplish tonight. Might need a paper towel that I forgot to prepare, so I'll use a artist rag. Hopefully the paint is good to go, and it looks like it is. Super white. Paint the edges and sides, so we'll see how much paint I can get on my fingers and hands before the night's over. I believe that, yes, there it is. Let's stir it up a little bit, get it activated. Came all the way from Holland, so probably settled a little bit. I'm going to start with this right here and attempt to paint. There we go. Kind of busy yesterday. Had a trip to the ER with Kim. She had some things going on, and we needed to go in and see what exactly was happening, so we knew how to treat her. So we figured that out at about 2 in the morning. And got a few hours of sleep last night, worked all day today. Tomorrow morning we'll meet with another doctor to find out more things. Tomorrow afternoon, I guess. And find out more things that are going on. I'm sure she'll fill you in on all the details. At this point it's normally not life-threatening, but as with any procedure, you always could get complications or whatever. So we're going to keep praying that God watches over her while we go through this. One of the scriptures from my Bible study that I'm in says to consider it pure joy when you go through trials, and I'm still working on that one, but I know that God has a plan for her and it'll all work out good. So I'm not real crafty when it comes to painting. I'm not real good at painting. So this might be kind of boring. I'll stop back in a minute and let you know how the progress is going. So I think I've got all the parts finally painted. It didn't take very long. I just don't know how to paint very well. I got it all over me, but and some on the desk, so don't tell Kim. But so I got all the parts painted. I'm going to let them dry real nice, and we will before we go any further, we'll see the directions and see what step 2 is. I might even get to that next week's video. But before I go, I wanted to remind everyone that if you have not taken a peek at Kim's birthday giveaway challenge, you need to stop into that video, take a view of it, and make sure that you complete the tasks that she has on there so that you can get entered into the drawing and be the lucky winner. Well, I guess I didn't do too bad painting. I got a little bit over here, but I've got decals that'll cover up any of the paint that's on the face of this MDF board. So we might even get to those next week. I'll have to look at the directions and see what they say to do. But at any rate, it's been a good Tuesday. Thanks for stopping in, and we'll catch you next week. Take care.